Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by launching Google Earth and switching instantly to satellite plus 3D buildings. This gives the visual detail you need. Once open, enable historical imagery and terrain. These let you compare changes across time and perspective. Make sure you already have a target area or neighborhood name because you'll move fast. Open the search box and paste the first known coordinate or place name. Press enter and zoom in. This first step places you where the hunt begins, so don't skip it. Once you've zoomed into the general area, use tilt and rotate to change camera angle and match screenshots or video frames. You'll often need an oblique view to match facades. Make place marks on distinctive structures, then measure distances between them with the ruler. This verifies scale and spacing. Compare multiple dates in historical imagery because set pieces or temporary props might appear only in certain years. As you refine, narrow to a block or specific building, and save that view as a place mark for quick recall. Finally, verify the match by checking at least 2 different perspectives and, if possible, using Street View to confirm ground-level details. This reduces false positives. Once convinced, export the image or save the place mark with coordinates and a timestamp for reference. If things go wrong, clear Google Earth's cache, ensure you're on the latest imagery layer, and try alternate map services to cross-check. Sometimes changes or low-resolution tiles hide temporary sets. Then, reapply the same angle matching steps to confirm the find.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.